मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्सन, इसको आज देखेंगे। ठीक है। तो डिस्पर्सन होता क्या है? डिस्पर्सन का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी रिजल्ट अपने रियल जो नंबर है या उससे कितना दूर आ रहा है, एक्चुअल में जो आंसर होना चाहिए उससे कितना दूर आ रहा है, यही है मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्सन। ठीक है। तो इसमें क्या देखेंगे? इसमें एक तो देखेंगे रेंज, रेंज। ठीक है। दूसरा देखेंगे क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन, क्वार्टाइल डेविएशन। ओके। तीसरा क्या देखेंगे? मीन डेविएशन, मीन डेविएशन, डेविएशन। एंड नेक्स्ट क्या देखेंगे? स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन, स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन। ओके। तो ये सब आज की क्लास में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं रेंज, कि रेंज क्या होता है। ठीक है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी रेंज, रेंज। सो हायर, हाईएस्ट और लोएस्ट दो टर्म के बीच का जो डिफरेंस होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेंज बोलते हैं। ओके। डिफरेंस बिटवीन हाईएस्ट एंड लोएस्ट टर्म, जैसे फॉर इंडिविजुअल सीरीज, फॉर इंडिविजुअल सीरीज, सीरीजेज क्या रेंज होगा? तो रेंज जैसे फिर एग्जांपल हम ले लेते हैं क्वेश्चन, कि इंडिविजुअल सीरीज एक है एक्स, और एक्स का वैल्यू क्या है? 3, 8, 9, 12 एंड 7। सो व्हाट इज आर एक्स? दैट इज रेंज ऑफ एक्स। रेंज ऑफ एक्स इज, यहाँ 17 नहीं है, 12 एंड 7। सो 12 - 3 इज 9। एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज क्या होगा? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज, दैट इज कोएफिशिएंट, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज, रेंज इज इक्वल टू एल माइनस एस अपॉन एल प्लस एस। मतलब लॉन्गेस्ट, और ये जो सब, जैसे एल माइनस वन क्या हो गया? 12 - 3 एंड 12 + 3, दैट इज 9/15 इज कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रेंज। ओके। तो ये तो हम, वी हैव सीन दिस फॉर इंडिविजुअल सीरीज। नाउ वी विल सी फॉर discrete series. Okay. For discrete series, range for discrete series, discrete series. Okay. Now for discrete series, DIS, discrete series, तो इसमें क्या होगा? there will be frequency, so there will be frequency. It means, let's write for first of all question 8, 7, 3, 3, 9 and 2, and respective frequencies are 4, 3, 2, 1 and 4. So what will be the Rx? Rx will be 9 minus 2, that is 7. And coefficient of frequencies, coefficient of frequency, coefficient of frequency, frequencies, or coefficient of Rx, not frequency, coefficient of range is equal to 9 minus 2 upon 9 plus 2, that is 7/11. So now for continuous series, now for continuous series, for continuous series, range. In continuous series we have already studied that there is class interval, so Ci, and there is frequency also. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and respective frequencies are 3, 5, 7, and 2. Now, what is Rx? Rx is equal to 40 minus 0, that is highest, larger limit and lower limit. So that is equal to 40. And coefficient of Rx, coefficient of Rx is equal to 40 minus 0 upon 40 plus 0, that is 1. So we have seen the how to find range and coefficient of range in continuous series, individual series, and discrete series. Now we will find right properties of range, that is properties of range. Properties of range. What is the property? So first of all, if all the values are constant, then range is 0. If all the values are k, this imply Rx will be 0. Say for example 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. So Rx is equal to L minus S, larger limit and lower limit. So largest and smallest. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now we will write second property. Range doesn't affect due to change in origin. Range doesn't affect due to change in origin. What do you mean by change in origin? Change in origin means something plus or something negative, positive or negative. It means if there is a series, just recall the question first. If we copy this series, okay, and if I paste here, so now if we add something, that is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, what will be the new x? New x will 8, 13, 14, 17, and 12. And what is new Rx? That is 14, 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8, that is 9. Okay, 17 minus 8. And what was earlier? 12 minus 3. So earlier range was, earlier Rx is equal to 12 minus 3, that is 9. So due to change in origin doesn't affect the result of range. So range is not affected by the change in origin. Okay, but affected by change in a scale. But affected by change in a scale. But affected by change in a scale. चेंज इन स्केल, चेंज इन स्केल से ये इफेक्ट होगा, चेंज इन ओरिजिन से इफेक्ट नहीं होगा। ओके, ओके, तो चेंज इन ओरिजिन से इफेक्टेड नहीं होगा। तो नाउ वी विल अगेन लेट्स प्रूव इट। Now we have taken same series. Now 3 into 4, 8 into 4, it is change in a scale. Change in a scale, it means divide or multiply. So 4, 4 and 4. What is the value? X, new X, 12, 32, 12, 32, 36, 48 and 28. What was earlier range? Earlier was 9. Okay, and what is new range? Rx is equal to highest 48 and lowest is 12. 48 minus 12, that is 36. So range is affected due to change in a scale. Okay, so here is second property we have already proved. Now दोनों अगर चेंज होता है तब क्या होता है? लेट्स से दोनों चेंज करते हैं इसको, से फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन लेते हैं इसको, दैट इज 3x प्लस वाई माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 0. Rx is equal to 8. What is Ry? It means Rx is given. What is Ry? So first of all we will write in form of y. So y is equal to 8 minus 3x. Simply put the value of x here. Okay. Y is equal to 8 minus 3x. Simply put the value of, so minus 3 into 8 and plus 8. What is the answer? So due to change in origin doesn't change. Due to change in origin it doesn't change, so its value is negligible, 0. So due to change in a scale, what is the answer? That is 24. Modulus of 3 into 8, that is 24. Let's say another example. Let's say another example, that is 2x. 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what is given here? Rx is equal to 10 and we have to find Ry is equal to what? So first of all we will write in form of y. So minus 3y is equal to, or 3y is equal to 2x plus 6. Y is equal to 2 by 3x plus 6 by 3. Okay, that is 2 by 3x plus 2. Now simply due to change in origin, no change, so we will not consider 2, only consider 2 by 3x. So 2 by 3 into what was the earlier range? 10. So 20 by 3 will be the new range, that is Rx. So Rx changes due to a scale and node changes due to origin. So we have discussed the change in range. It means we have studied, what we have studied? Measure of dispersion and in which we have studied range and coefficient of range. In next class we will study quartile deviation. Okay.